Hello everyone. So here, let us see the code of the program that is required to fulfill this question here. Write a Java program to create an abstract class named shape that contains two integers and an empty method named print area. Provide three classes named rectangle, triangle, and circle. Subclass that as subclasses that each one of the classes extends the class shape. That means the abstract class shape. Each one of the classes contain only the method print area that prints the area of shape. That means every class that is rectangle, triangle, and circle also should contain only that one method print area that should print the area of the shape. So let us go for the code first. So here you have this code. So first is the question is you have to create an abstract class named shape. So this in this code I am creating abstract class shape. So and the shape is created here. So this is abstract class shape, and you can see that this one is actually having two variables as integers data type. So public int x comma y. That means in this abstract class, I have x comma y variables available. And because this is abstract class, this class cannot be instantiated and can be created like an independent object. But we can access the variables in this class through inheritance by extending any other class to this shape class. So in this one, you have after the variables, you have public abstract void print area. So because this is having the return type here, this is a method, and public abstract so means public is access modifier, and abstract is it is declared as an abstract method, so it will have the semicolon at the end of the statement, and it does not contain any body in the shape class. So in this class, he immediately here this method will not have any body because it is declared as an abstract method. So this means that every class that is extended to shape, or every subclass that is of shape will be implementing this print area method in a concrete way, and they will have definitely the print area method overriding this print area method. So first, in the question, it is asked that you have to create three classes. First class is rectangle, second class is triangle, and the third class is circle. So class rectangle extends shape. So this is going to be the class rectangle extends shape, and uh, in this class, there is a restriction that you should have only one method, that is the abstract method, the implementation of the abstract method itself. So public void print area. So in this print area, I am just giving only one statement here because it should give only the only the area of the shape, and this is a system.out.println. The area of the rectangle is this is going to be definitely printed here, and it is plus. In addition to this one, what is going to be printed here is the area of the shape. What is the area of the shape? It is a rectangle, so length into width. So you can use these two variables as length into width, that is x into y. So this will print only the area of the rectangle. Next class is class triangle extends shape. So this is class triangle extends shape, and here you are again overriding the print area method, which is an abstract method declared in the abstract class, and this is subclass to the abstract class. So this should definitely override the abstract method. So this is the implementation of the method here. The system.out.println area of triangle is it is equal to what is the area of triangle? It is not equal to, it is plus. So in addition to this, it is going to be printed. What is printed here? So the value of variable x into the value of variable y by 2. So this is half into base into height. So the triangle, the area of the triangle is half into base into height. So the next, this class is also closed. Then next, the third class is class circle extends shape. So this class circle extends shape is also implementing the void print area method because this is a subclass to the superclass, and you have to override the abstract method. So public void print area, and the implementation is system.out.println area of circle is plus, means area of circle is in addition to this one it will be printed. So it is pi r square. The area of the circle is pi r square. Pi value is 22/7, and r value means radius is x into x because we are the available variables here are x and y only. So you can take one of the variable and you can make a square, so pi r square, and then this will print the area of the circle. So this is closed, and we have created three classes as asked in the question: a rectangle, triangle, and circle. And we have made them subclasses to shape class. This is a hierarchical inheritance, and these classes can be instantiated and these can be created as an objects. So in turn, the shape will be created as an object coupled with this class, but shape cannot be created as an object because it is declared as an abstract class. So the next, to execute the program, I need to give a main method. So I'm giving a main class here, the public class abstracts, abstraction example. So that is abstracts. Next, there is a documentation comment, and that I am giving that the parameter arguments, the command line arguments. Then next, public static void main string arg. So this is going to be the main method declaration public static void main string args, and inside this one first I am instantiating the rectangle class. So rectangle r is equal to new rectangle. So the rectangle class in coupling with the shape class together created as an r object. So this is r object, and r dot x is equal to 10, r dot y is equal to 20. So now you have the x variable and y variable available for the rectangle class also, because it is a subclass of the shape class. So you can create object, and you can create rectangle as an object, and in that object shape class also present. So you can take the instance of the shape class also. So what is the instance? It is integer x, so integer y. These instances are available for the rectangle class. So the r object r dot x is equal to 10, r dot y is equal to 20, meaning the length and width of the rectangle are given. The next r dot print area. So this is calling the print area in the rectangle class. So in the rectangle class, there is a print area method, that is abstract method, the implementation of the abstract method. So r dot print area, and that will calculate the area. This is execute this statement. So area is calculated and it is printed as area of the rectangle. Then next, I'm just giving a print statement here with an empty line. So this is going to create only one line difference, new line. One new line will be picked. And next, I'm instantiating the triangle class. Triangle t is equal to new triangle. And here I am giving t dot x is equal to 30, t dot y is equal to 35. That means the two variables that are available in the shape class, because the triangle together with the shape class is created as an object. So x and y are available to this one separately. So t dot x is equal to 30, t dot y is equal to 35. And t dot print area means the print area method in the triangle class is going to be called here. So this will execute this statement, and the area of the triangle, that is half into base into height, is calculated, and it is printed. So after that one, I am actually taking only one new line, and I am instantiating this one circle c is equal to new circle. So that means circle class is created as an object together with the shape class, and the shape variables are available for this one. So c dot x is equal to 2. So this I am using it as radius, and I am calling the c dot print area, that is a method in the circle c class, the circle class. So this method is called c dot print area is this method, and then next this is going to be executed here. So that is pi into x square or r square, whatever you can call. So now this is over, and the area of the circle is going to be printed. So the next closure of the main class. So you can name the class, name the file name as abstracts.java. So I have named here abstracts.java. So then this can be executed here using the command. So taking the help of the command, you can give the compilation. So you can have this one, uh, uh, this one, the run command. So it is printing the area of the rectangle is 200, the area of the triangle is 525, and the area of the circle is going to be 12. So you can see here 10 into 20 is 200, and it is half into 30 into 35. That is half into 30 into 35 means the 30 by 2 will become 15. 15 into 35 is going to be 525, and area of the circle, it is pi r square, that is 2 square, that is 4. 4 into 22 by 7. So 4 into 22 by 7 will actually become the 12. So this is going to be printing only integer because we are declaring that as integers, so it will calculate, it will print only the integer part of the result here. So if you declare with the float data type, it will print the complete value that is calculated. So now next, if I am going to change my uh, uh, parameters, so you can see, go compile here again. If you compile it here, so you will get it. So you just compile here and you just run this, so you can get whatever it is the integer area of the rectangle, triangle, and the circle. So if you change this one, you can actually get the area of the rectangle also changed. And if you change this one as 7, so you can actually get the calculation as the complete integer for this one also, the circle also. And you can actually see here, see 10 into 30 is going to be 300, and I am giving 335, so half into 3 into 35, that is nothing but 3 into 35 is going to be 105, and 105 by 2 is actually going to be 52.5, but zero point 0.5 is going to be omitted here because it is an integer declaration. The public int x comma y we have declared, and we are performing operations on x comma y. So it will be like integer data. So it will printing only integer part, and the area of the circle is, it is 22 by 7 into the x square means 7 into 7. So 7 gets cancelled and it will print 22 into 7. So 22 into 7 is going to be 154. So this is how it is going to be printed here. So this is how the abstraction example can be given. So because the abstract class cannot be created as an object, you can create the object for the subclass, and it will in turn create the object, that is, it will in turn create the subclass and superclass together as an object. So you can access all the variables available there, and you can actually override the abstract methods that are available in the abstract class, in the subclass. So that overriding is compulsory. If you don't override it, and if you don't provide the implementation here, the concrete implementation of the method here, that will be throwing an error. And this abstract method should be empty here, and it should be given with a statement end. And here in the implementation, you won't give a statement end, and you will give a real actual implementation of the method. So this is how we have to go with the abstraction example. So thank you.